Are you getting this message every time you install an app that is not in Windows 10 Store? In this video, I will show you how to install any programs, or now they are called apps, in Windows 10, and this also may work with Windows 10s. Go to your Systems folder. Now, select Apps and Features. Are you able to select this box that is unselectable for me? If not, I am going to show you a fix, so you will be able to select this box and install any app without this image popping up every time you want to install an app. Now let's get started. Hold down the Windows key and then press R. You should see a box in the lower left-hand corner of your screen. Now enter GPEDIT.MSC and then hit OK. Now expand this window. In the left window, select Administrative Templates folder. In the right window, double-click on Windows Components folder. Now scroll down and double-click on Windows Defender Smart Screens folder. Then double-click on Explorers folder. Double-click on Configure App Install Control. Select Not Configured. Then hit OK. Next, double-click on Configure Windows Defender Smart Screen. Select Not Configured. Then hit OK. Now close this window. Let's go check it out. And yes, we can now change how we want to install our apps. Thanks for taking the time to watch another one of my videos. If you like this video, please click on the like button. And please subscribe to see my new videos.